Aloha mai kako. Did you know that the KS Digital Holomoana site contains lesson plans? Regardless of what subject or grade level you teach, these lesson plans follow Hokulea's voyage and help Haumana navigate and explore our vast Pacific universe through Polynesian wayfinding. These lesson plans contain connections to a variety of local and national learning standards, strengthening your current curriculum. Math teachers, we think you'll love the Calculating Speed, Distance, and Duration lesson plan. Within it, we will answer the essential question: how can we determine how fast and how far we are going and how long it will take to get to our destination? This lesson begins with contrasting ways of measuring speed long ago and in modern times. Just as drivers measure their speed on the road today with their car speedometer, so too did our Hawaiian ancestors estimate their speed on the water, as well as the distance and duration of their voyages. Then, Haumana envisioned themselves as ocean voyagers and used math to calculate critical parts of their journey. Haumana might wonder why knowing their speed, distance, and duration would even be important during or prior to an oceanic voyage. To help students better understand this, they consider a variety of questions and possible scenarios. Examples of these questions to promote discussion are: how might the provisions you pack be influenced by the length of your voyage? How might your port schedule be impacted if your va'a loses time and speed in the doldrums? How would you plan to have enough rations? Knots and nautical miles are then introduced to Haumana, as well as formulas and observational techniques for calculating speed, distance, and duration. In the activities portion of the lesson, an interactive online game called Measuring Your Speed, Distance, and Duration requires Haumana to calculate the unknown variables along a voyage. For example, speed can be estimated by observing how long it takes bubbles on the water surface to pass from the va'a's front yako to the back one, then dividing 25 by that number. Haumana will examine how distance can easily be calculated once they know how fast they are going and how much time has elapsed. Next, they will try their hand at calculating duration, because after all, when on the ocean, it's critical to know how long it will take you to complete a leg of the journey. Once Haumana feel comfortable with these three calculations, they will apply their knowledge in the activity, planning your route. There, they must calculate missing variables for a variety of voyaging scenarios. This lesson plan is just one of the many resources you'll find on KS Digital's Holomoana site at www.ksbe.edu/digital/Holomoana. Be sure to check back often, as we will be uploading additional content regularly. A hui ho!